everyone, Doris Chen from Gaia Team and Interior Real Estate.
And I'm Anton Bayon, and we have another amazing opportunity for you. And this property is located in the heart of Willow Glen, and better yet, walking distance to Lincoln Avenue, which consists of a lot of mom and pop shops. This one is also located right in front of a large green field, which is much better than facing other residential properties.
It is also in a very safe cul-de-sac. The home itself consisting with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The living square footage over 2,000 square footage. Lot is 8,000 square footage. Let's take a look at the property.
As you step and foot inside your new home, you're greeted with an elegant staircase. Immediately to your right, you're taken into the first of 2 living rooms, and the size is generous, having a large double-pane window that comes with unlimited tickets of a luxury suite for every single baseball game. Further into the property, you're in your spacious dining room. Large enough for an 8-person dining table, the dining room also features a double-pane sliding glass door that leads to the backyard and is directly connected to the bright and effectual kitchen. The layout of the kitchen is well thought out, with a U-shaped countertop which provides an abundance of cabinet and countertop space for all of your tabletop appliances. The countertop also includes an extended ledge that functions as a breakfast bar and is large enough to seat 4. Past the kitchen, you'll arrive at the second living room. Take a look at the vastness of it. It too also comes with a large double-pane sliding glass door which allows plenty of sunlight to come in. Coming towards the staircase, you'll be passing the entry points to the half bathroom and the garage. Up to the second level is where all of the bedrooms are. Immediately to your right, there are 2 of 4 bedrooms nestled right next to one another. Take a look inside. Each of these bedrooms are large enough to fit a queen-size bedroom with plenty of space left over. Additionally, each of these bedrooms have their very own custom closet organizer. Down the hallway towards the primary bedroom, there is the first full bathroom. It's conveniently located right in between all 3 subordinate bedrooms. Into the third bedroom, it's perfect for children or a small office. This room also comes with a custom closet organizer. Now let's go into the primary bedroom. This room is large. Check out the view from the window. Speaking of views, take note that every bedroom window view is private, without directly facing any other property window. The primary bedroom comes with an expansive bathroom, with enough closet space to hold all of your fine outfits. It also features an integrated vanity desk, a large walk-in shower, and dual vanity sink. Other features of this home include new flooring, double-pane window, recessed lighting, new interior paint, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a backyard jacuzzi and gazebo.
Alright guys, you've seen it and you heard all about this beautiful property.
Now it's time to schedule your own tour today.